Hi and welcome or welcome back. I'm George Pierce and I want to thank you for watching. This video is about my weekly giveaway. And each week I give away an internet marketing gift and there's no strings attached. It's a free gift, no email required. And I'm going to take you to the download page in just a moment. The gift is 7 tips to declutter your life. And I think this is going to help just about anybody that's watching this video, because a lot of times one of the obstacles that we have to overcome, and we don't even know that it exists sometimes, is ourselves. We have to kind of get ourselves out of our own way in order to be able to succeed at life, in order to be able to succeed on the internet, in order to be able to succeed on YouTube. So this is a giveaway that I think that I strongly suggest that you take advantage of, and you'll find a link below to the download page. So before I get to, I'm going to take you to the download page. Before I get to that, just a reminder that this channel is about growing your YouTube channel and making money online as an affiliate marketer. If either of those are of interest to you, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, and that way YouTube's going to let you know when these videos are published. And if you like the video so far, be sure to give us a big thumbs up and hit that like button as well. So let's get right to it. And I've taken us to the download page, Declutter Your Life, my weekly giveaway, and it's 7 tips to declutter your life. This is the ebook itself, and I want you to see that it is download now. There are no strings attached. Grab the ebook, and it does come with resale rights. You're not going to just get the ebook, you're also going to get the e-cover, images, opt-in page, a thank you page, and again, resale rights. And resale rights will allow you to give this book away, to use it as an incentive, to use it as a bonus, or to sell it and keep all the profits. That's my weekly giveaway. 7 tips to declutter your life. I urge you to take advantage of it because I think it's really going to help you. I do want to thank you for watching. I appreciate it, and allow me to wish you much success.